Hey guys, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be replacing the cruise control switch on my 2007 Toyota Tundra. Um, it doesn't work. It hasn't worked since we bought it. I've jiggled it and been able to get it to work only one time, so I'm 99% confident based on that it is the switch that's no good. So if you're looking to do this yourself on your truck, follow along. All right. So before I disconnect the battery, I'm just going to go ahead and roll the window down, so in case if it gets locked or anything, we don't have any issues there. All right, and we're just going to disconnect the negative. Looks like I do have a little corrosion I need to clean up over there on the positive, so we'll go ahead and take care of that as well. All right, so real quick, we just have a couple access panels here. So just gonna pop this one off with a screwdriver. All right, and then right there is the T30 that we're gonna need to pull off, and there's one on the other side as well. So I'll show you that. All right, and this one's much easier to pull off. You can just stick your finger in there and pull it out. More difficult while filming, obviously. So I'm just gonna get that real quick. All right, and then you can see in there, up there, and right there you can see the other T30 screw that we need to get to. And it does take quite a bit to break this loose. And there it goes. And then it should actually go ahead and stay in there. There's like a retainer that'll hold it into place. But the airbag does loosen up out of spot. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other side. And there we go. And that feels loose. And then we're simply going to take the airbag, delicately move it up here, out of the way. All right, now that we've got that off, we have access to the switch. We're going to unplug this connector, and we're just going to unfasten it and swap it out. And this does just use a regular Phillips head screw. And now we can just pull that out like so. All right, and unboxing here is a new switch I just got off of Amazon. Don't remember how much it was, to be honest. I've been sitting on it for a while. And it does come with a new wire. I'm going to use the old one. I don't think that's the problem. Again, because of the symptoms I was having. So we're going to go ahead and just use the same one. And we'll use the same screws and everything. We'll just keep it as OEM as possible, minus the switch. All right, now that I've got that out of there, you can see nice, new, shiny. We'll go ahead and just get it set up again. All right, we're just gonna go ahead, Stick it back through, kind of jiggle it until we've got it into place. Easier said than I actually expected, or it was actually easier than I expected, I mean. Let's pop these screws back in. These screws are actually marked from the manufacturer. I'm going to try and line those up. Okay, take our switch, plug it back in. Make sure it's in tight, it's not coming out. All right, and we will go ahead and put the airbag back in place. Kind of just sits in there nice and easy. I'm gonna have to set you down a second, make sure I've got this aligned. So bear with me. All right, sorry about that. We are lined up now. It's in tight, and let's go do the other side. And there we go. Perfect.